Hi, I'm Justin from Wagan Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the batteries in the FRED PRO, item number 4340. All you'll need to accomplish the battery change is your Wagan Tech FRED PRO and a quarter. Simply place the quarter in this provided slot and turn counterclockwise. After doing so for a couple turns, it will open up, revealing the batteries. Simply replace the 3 AA batteries with fresh ones. Replace the cover and screw on hand tight. Be sure when replacing the cover that the O-ring gasket remains in place. And that is how you replace the batteries in the Wagan Tech FRED PRO.